Hey, man.
How's it going?
Hey, is this some cruise going to Rhode Island?
Yeah, why?
I was invited by somebody on Instagram.
Who invited you?
Not really sure.
Okay.
Some dude. Is this where you guys are meeting up, or?
Yeah, but it's a private thing, so who was it?
Yeah. What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? So, on my little trip up to New Hampshire, as you see in the last video, to Golen Engines, I decided to come down to Boston and stay the night in Boston because I've never been to Boston. So I was here for the night and got hit up on Instagram. Better make sure I know where I'm going here. Got hit up on Instagram by an Instagrammer and was telling me that there is a car cruise that goes from Boston to Rhode Island. Well, you know, guys, I've never been to Rhode Island either. And I guess there's supposed to be like Corvettes and all kinds of other cool cars at this meetup. And he invited me along to go check it out. And I'm on my way right now. I'm driving through, I don't even know what. Like, I don't even know if I'm still in Boston, but I'm going to a place called Needham. I don't even know how it's called. Newton Heights or some shit, like, or Newton Islands. So I'm on my way there now. Oh look, that's the first Sunoco I've seen my entire trip up in these northern states. Crazy. Oh wow. Ultra 93 is $3.20. I've been paying $3.40 for my freaking gas up here. Bullshit. So we're on our way there right now, and we'll see what we see. All right, we're getting close. Looks like some sketchy area here. I don't know. I'm getting kind of worried I might get attacked or robbed or something. I'm not really sure what's going on here. I'm being led to my death.
Turn right on A Street.
Yeah, this is sketchy. We got hotels being built and shit. What the fuck is going on here? Yeah, this is weird. I'm probably being led to my death or something.
In a quarter of a mile, turn right on First Avenue.
Alrighty. Hopefully there's somebody here. I don't know. A lot of parking lots and stuff being built, man. Crazy. Warehouses. Oh, cars. We got some cars. Hey, man.
How's it going?
Hey, is this some cruise going to Rhode Island?
Yeah, why?
I was invited by somebody on Instagram.
Who invited you?
Not really sure.
Okay.
Some dude. Is this where you guys are meeting up, or?
Yeah, but it's a private thing, so who was it?
Yeah. Let me check. What's it for?
Here's the group. We have a car club that we're going down. It's
Yeah, I guess he's a part of it. Black Storm Trooper. He has a C7. Black C7, I think.
I don't know who he is.
Yeah, I don't know what his name is.
If you want to hang around and wait for him, more than welcome to. But again, it's one of those.
Yeah, that's cool. No, that's cool.
We're gonna have a bunch of cars.
Junior. His
Check him
name's
out.
Junior.
What's that?
Junior.
Yeah, he's not even in the group. So
Oh, isn't he?
Yeah, no.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so you're
What?
more welcome to check it out though if you want to.
Yeah, no problem.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
was officially kicked out of the little car club here. We got a Ford RS right there. I'd probably beat that to a GTP, to be honest. This is the guy that invited me. I'll put his information down below. Go check him out. He's a pretty cool dude. See if anybody wants to do a burnout. Got an Acura NSX right here, freaking nice. Oh, don't wreck, buddy. Shit. This one has a baby seat in it. Well, I've been left alone. I've been left alone in a parking lot in the middle of an industrial field, or it looks like some weird setup here in Boston. I have no idea where the hell I'm at. I better get out of here before I get robbed. It's like I said in the other part of the video. This feels fucking sketchy, guys. But all right, let's get the fuck out of here. All right, guys, we are back in the freaking car. I'm headed home finally. It was really nice. I'll be honest with you. It was really nice to be able to kind of get away from Pennsylvania for a little bit. The original plan was just to come up here, drop the block off, maybe stay the night in New Hampshire and come back home. But I decided against that, obviously, and here we are, Sunday late morning, I guess. Yeah, late morning now, and I'm on my way home. So it was really nice. You know, I stayed in New Hampshire Friday and a Saturday. And then I drove 45 minutes or so to Boston. Stayed in Boston in someplace called Coplay, I guess it's called. They call it Coplay in Boston. I don't know. It's right by the Boston Library. Real huge freaking library, by the way. If you guys ever are up this way, or if anybody's in the Boston area and want to see a freaking big ass library, I'll tell you what, it's like a little museum in there. Go check it out. It's a really cool library. So, as you guys can see, you know, I was not invited on the ride. I was shunned because it was a private special event for supercars only, and I guess my GTP was just too much. It was too much on the higher level of supercars, I would say, than you know, what was there, the Lambos and McLarens and stuff. I mean, they're okay cars, but I mean, how many people have a GTP? I mean, you see McLarens everywhere, you see Lamborghinis everywhere, you even see Corvettes everywhere. But GTP, people, you don't see GTPs just anywhere. They are a very rare car, in my opinion. Maybe you guys can agree with me. Maybe you can't. Smokes, guys, I am finally back in PA. Actually pulling into the shop right now to do my outro for this video. I have a customer with a Jeep SRT 8 Jeep that wants to come up real quick. He's only available on weekends, and I'm putting a little tune in it for him. So I'm gonna get up here and wait for him, and we'll be good to go. Wow, look at that. Mitch got a lot done. I think we still need intake gaskets and valve cover gaskets, but other than that, the wiring harness is back on, the header's back on, and we are getting new headers for this. We're just putting these back on temporarily so we can start the car up, run it. put a tune in it, all that fun stuff. All the accessories are on and everything. Goes right back in this guy here, right there. Big old empty hole. Alright guys, it's been a fun trip. I'm back at the shop now, obviously. We're gonna, man, I'm tired. I'm really tired. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing. Facebook is also Diablo Formula Racing. Check out my description below. I have hoodies, t-shirts, all kinds of fun stuff for sale, posters, key tags. Go check that out. Plus, all my sponsors are down there as well, underneath the section that says sponsors for my Red Trans Am, the transgender Am, as they like to call it. But go check them guys out too. Deuces.